G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Got a quick unboxing for you. Today it's Oppo's Reno13 Pro 5G phone, the flagship model in their range for 2025. Let's go. So if you're looking into this particular Oppo phone, you're doing it because you want kind of that high-end premium experience, but you want it at a better price. This retails for $13.99 here in Australia, but it's still got, multiple 50 megapixel cameras. It's still going to give you about 15 plus hours worth of battery life. It's got a 1.5K OLED screen on it, 120 Hertz refresh rate, a lot of the AI photo features in here, kind of all that type of stuff you're getting when you talk to the big boys, your Apples, your Samsungs, your Google Pixels, that type of thing, but at a much cheaper price. So this is where Oppo is looking to come into the market, and usually it's pretty good value for money. But anyway, let's see what's in the box today. So let's get it open. As you can see, brand new. Nothing particularly outstanding about the box, other than the fact that it doesn't actually have a photo of the phone on it, which is a bit unusual. Let's have a look inside. Ooh, pop. Okay, first off we've got information. So a quick look at that. So just a little bit of paperwork in there. Nothing spectacular. I've got a safety guide. We've got a quick guide. I like how easy it is to tell which is which. But the fine print on it, the print on it is so small. Wow. It's so small and yet still so big. There's a lot of paper here for something that's very, very small print. So I've literally got no chance of reading that at my age. But I have glasses. Let's have a look at the phone itself. Pop that out. What have we got here? Oh, we've got the purple one, which is cool. Get that open. Look at that. It's quite a nice effect they got there. It's like a pearly purple. I mean, you put these things in a case, right? I know people get really, into the idea of the colors. Mine's always in a case. You never see the color. But if this is you, I actually think that's kind of cool and kind of funky. Not really my color as a 46-year-old bloke, but I can appreciate it. Interesting camera there. Looks pretty. So it's got the, it's the triple camera. Well, there's a fourth. There's a fourth something there. To look into that a little bit more. But I believe it's 50 megapixel, 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and then the telephoto I think is 8 megapixel. Maybe I might be wrong. And it's 50 selfie as well. So definitely not going light on the base quality of the photos, but obviously there's a lot more to it than just megapixels. But I do like it's very slimline. So I don't know if you can see that in this video, but the camera is not protruding much at all. It's very, very sleek in that regard. Which means the case can be sleek if you get one, and it won't take up as much space or be as bulky in your pocket. Otherwise, pretty standard. You've got a power button over here. I can see you got your volume up and down here as well. USB-C at the bottom. It's actually a very thin phone. It's quite a very thin profile in general. Yeah, but otherwise, it feels quite light as well, which is good. First impressions. Not bad. All right, let's have a look in here. Oh, yes. Yes, Oppo. Comes with a charger. Oh, happy days. Boy, do I need one of these. 80-watt charger. Nice, USB-A, but nice. And a cable, which I'll get out in a second, and your little SIM card removal tool. And I'm sure it'll have eSIM as well, because it is 2025. Okay, so that's all we got in the box there. Bit of plastic at the bottom, which is a bit of a bummer. Trying to get rid of those nowadays from most of the packaging. Maybe it's recycled, doesn't say, but still, it's not ideal. I mean, the power block's pretty meaty. Something that you might want to chuck in your purse or your backpack, something like that. But I'm just so stoked there is one. Just a bit of a shame they've gone for USB-A. Just a bit of a shame, because I'd want to use this for multiple devices, not just this phone, because almost all the tech I get nowadays does not come with one of these. Almost all of them. I can't remember the last time I opened a box and there's actually a wall unit in it. Okay, and what do we got here? That is a super short cable. I'm going to go with 70, maybe, which is, geez, it's just about enough for a bedside table, something like that. But it's, you know, yeah, I would have liked that to have been longer. At least a meter. Go at least a meter. I'm going to find out it is a meter now, because I'm just guessing by eyeballs. But you know, it's either way, it feels short. But otherwise, looks like it's just done. So there you go. That's an unboxing of the Oppo Reno13 Pro phone that has come out in 2025. It's just come out. I've just received the box, and we're going to take this on a bit of a road test, and I'll get back to you with some thoughts, some review thoughts, and see how it compares to some of the other phones that I've been getting. So there's plenty of that stuff up on the channel too if you want to take a look. Otherwise, I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, I'll check you later.